This is the journey of the Health Promotion Trust, Mumbai, an organization dedicated to making health and well-being affordable and accessible to every corner of the community. It is a story of hope, resilience, and positive change. In the bustling heart of Mumbai, where life moves fast, the Health Promotion Trust stands strong, empowering individuals to lead healthier, happier lives. Founded in the year 2000 with a vision to promote health equity, the Health Promotion Trust works tirelessly across diverse communities in Mumbai, Raigad, and Dharavi Island with their vision of health for all and a mission to raise awareness, prevent diseases, and foster environments where healthy choices are possible and accessible. Recognizing the importance of prevention, the Trust decided to tackle preventive healthcare head-on, making it a cornerstone of their initiatives.
This is part of preaching the good news, the gospel message, because holistic healthcare looks at the person as a whole, and therefore we are looking at the well-being of the entire human being, his spiritual, emotional, social, physical, entire being and growth through the various programs of Health Promotion Trust. What is being promoted is the well-being of every person and his or her relationships with others and the entire interaction of the community with that person.
Quite often, the poor people find it very, very difficult to go to the private doctor or to the private hospital. So there is the need for us to see how that we can reach out to the poor people. In the initial stage, we started our work opening 2 mobile clinics. And this mobile van was equipped with the medical personnel, doctors, nurses. We used to cover various parishes and slum areas those years. As we started moving ahead, we also established in different places, different parishes, the clinics, dental clinics mainly. But in the meantime, that we thought that was a very expensive affair to carry on with these clinics as well as mobile vans. So we called for a meeting of all the people later in the year 2009, and we had what is called a health prospective plan. So from 2010, we moved to what is called as the preventive healthcare.
In its first step towards preventive healthcare, the Health Promotion Trust developed a comprehensive preventive healthcare module. Based on this module, the Health Promotion Trust personnel, in collaboration with church-based community centers in Mumbai, Raigad, and Dharavi Island, identified groups for specialized training. After completing the training, participants receive a Barefoot Health Worker Certificate, qualifying them to share and disseminate their healthcare knowledge within their respective communities. The Health Promotion Trust is grateful and joyful about their extremely effective collaboration till date with 16 church-based community organizations in Raigad district, 23 church-based organizations and associations in Mumbai, and 7 church-based organizations in Dharavi Island.
When we approached to Health Promotion Trust, we found it very helpful. The local medicines which were available, they were able to use it and get treated from these medicines. Our women and men and youth also, we have tried to help them or give them seminars so that they learn from these medicines and then what they get from locals in the villages or in the jungle. We have developed herbal garden in 2 villages. We bring the play school or the supplementary class students to look after these herbal plants, and if child gets a hurt or something like that, these medicines they can use it in their own village.
Since 2009, The Health Promotion Trust's direct beneficiaries include 5,000 in Raigad district, 15,000 in Mumbai, and close to 3,000 in Dharavi Island. With a special focus on Raigad district that covers a vast geographical area with a predominantly tribal population, the Health Promotion Trust developed a team of 26 health workers known as Arogya Sevaks. These Arogya Sevaks play a vital role in promoting alternative healthcare systems within their communities. Associated with the Health Promotion Trust, they undergo intensive healthcare training designed to build their knowledge and skills, ensuring effective health promotion and disease prevention.
HPT मध्ये काम करत असताना वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी मी प्रशिक्षण घेतलं आणि प्रशिक्षण झाल्याच्या नंतर मला गावामध्ये आशा सेविका म्हणून निवड झाली माझी. त्याच्यानंतर HPT मधून आम्हाला वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी आरोग्याबद्दल माहिती देण्यात आली. ही माहिती आम्ही गाव पातळीवर महिलांना, मुलींना याबद्दल आम्ही माहिती देतो. त्याच्यावर आरोग्यावर त्यांच्या आयुष्यामध्ये त्याच्या स्वतःच्या आरोग्यासाठी ते उपयोग करून घेतात. HPT ने मला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची औषधं बनवण्यासाठी शिकवले आणि त्याच्यासोबत शिकून आम्ही अजून महिलांना सुद्धा देतो आणि महिला ते स्वतः आता उपचार म्हणजे स्वतः औषधं बनवून ते उपचार करत आहेत.
The trust runs a variety of programs tailored to the unique needs of Mumbai's vibrant population. Their community health initiatives focus on health education workshops, teaching communities about nutrition, physical exercise, and disease prevention. School health programs, instilling healthy habits in children through interactive sessions and fun activities. Mental health support, eliminating the stigma around mental health with counseling services and awareness campaigns for youth. Women's health empowerment, providing reproductive health education, prenatal care, and support for women in underserved areas. Adolescent healthcare programs, designing preventive and promotive healthcare trainings for adolescent groups.
आरोग्यविषयी आपले स्वच्छता कशी ठेवायची मासिक पाळीमध्ये आणि पॅड्स यूज करायचे आणि कशी स्वच्छता ठेवायची ते शिकले आणि आहार म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या पालेभाज्या आमच्या रानामध्ये भेटतात. ते पालेभाज्यामधले जे विटॅमिन्स आहेत ते परत आणखीन आपल्या आहारामध्ये आहार कसा पाहिजे आपल्या रोजच्या जीवनामधला.
A naturopathy wellness center in Khandala. This center inspires and helps people to commit towards alternative therapies of healthcare that find their roots in nature-based healing strategies.
I would again want to thank the organizers, Health Promotion Trust and National Institute of Naturopathy for organizing this beautiful faculty development program for 3 days. I'm really glad that I made it. And it's kind of a wake-up call, as everyone said, towards our own health. For the first time, we came for our own holistic growth and development.
बुखार आया तो क्या करना चाहिए, सर्दी खांसी हुई तो क्या करना चाहिए, घर की चीज़ों से हमको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मतलब दवा के लिए डायना मैम ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई. यहाँ सेविंग भी होता है डॉक्टर के पास जाने से अच्छा.
अंधेरी स्पोर्ट्स कैंप में वहाँ गए थे, वहाँ हम लोग का ब्लड टेस्ट भी हुआ था. जिसको HIV है उनके बारे में भी बताया गया था. जिनके ब्लड सर्कुलेशन ठीक नहीं है उनके बारे में भी हमें बहुत सारे फ़ायदे मिले थे वहाँ पर अंधेरी में. सिस्टर लोग के बदौलत से हम लोग को हर महीना ब्लड चेकअप के लिए या मेडिकल के लिए हम लोग को फ्री में हो जाता है. डायना दीदी आती थी, वो हम लोग को बहुत सारे मेडिकल के बारे में सिखाती थी.
A holistic health center at Juhu. This non-residential center, located at Prem Darshan Community Center on the premises of St. Joseph Church, has served over 1,000 marginalized patients till date through a varied range of holistic therapies. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Health Promotion Trust evaluated its outreach programs to ensure that their healthcare strategies were relevant to the current health needs of the people, especially in Raigad. They redesigned their health outreach to include programs that met people's most urgent needs. The programs included nutritional health care for 100 TB patients, nutritional support for 125 lactating mothers. Through partnerships with local organizations, healthcare providers, and volunteers, the Trust ensures that their message reaches even the most marginalized groups. The Health Promotion Trust not only addresses today's health challenges, but also prepares for tomorrow's. Their vision is to expand their reach, integrate technology in health promotion, and build a future where every person in Mumbai, Raigad district, and Dharavi Island has the knowledge and resources to live a healthy life. The Health Promotion Trust has received numerous accolades both at the national and international levels. The awards speak to the Trust's ability to make tremendous strides in disease prevention in the most impoverished regions. Some of them include the International Diaconate Award, the Rose and Lily Award, the Indira Sadbhavna Award, an honor certificate from the Government of Maharashtra for the nutritional support program initiated for TB patients. Health is more than the absence of illness. It encompasses well-being, dignity, and opportunity. The Health Promotion Trust Mumbai continues to inspire change, one life at a time.
So if anybody is ready to come and volunteer to work with the Health Promotion Trust, they are most welcome, and we are ready to help them out to reach out to the places where they can spread the message of preventive healthcare to the others.
Join them in their mission, because when communities thrive, we all thrive.